Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pharmaveda. Before watching this video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today I have bring an interesting topic, that is train the trainer. It's been seen many times that person do not know how to give a good presentation and how to deliver your presentation in front of people. A motivated, well-trained team is essential for manufacturing, packing, holding and testing of drug product, and that is where the train the trainer model come into the picture. Internal training program is powerful way to ensure that employees learn to acquire fast the knowledge and skill necessary to perform well there in jobs. But how do you make sure that they have the capacity to effectively train their employee at a skill? By making SME employee capable of teaching their colleagues via train the trainer model. Train the trainer is a framework for SME to enable them to train other people in their organization. Three things that good trainer must have, that is skills, knowledge and attitude. Purpose of this training is to produce skill, knowledge and attitude. Your instructor must have technology skill, communication skill, research skill, learning skill and ability to assess employees. By this training, you can change in how to give presentation and training. Step to be followed for training. Knowledge. A good trainer must have independent knowledge of the subject that they will be training in. Critical thinking, decision making. Attitude. Learning should never be stopped for a trainer. Ethics and value. Trainers should act with honesty and integrity. Behavior of the trainer should play a very important role. Trainer should be cool-minded and warm-hearted. Skills required to be a good trainer. Subject matter expert. Trainer should be expert in the subject on which he or she going to give presentation. Instructional design. Trainer should design the training material in such a way that it gives clear instruction that would be followed by the employees. Apply learning principle. I will tell you the learning technique in the next slide. Trainer should apply learning principles so that maximum people could attach with your training program. Material production. You should cover only bullet points in the training material, especially emphasizing on what is new. Graphic layout media creation. Trainer should use graphic or media. They help employees to learn to understand the topic easily. Computer experience. Computer knowledge is also important when you are giving good presentation. Presentation voice. Your voice is also play a very important role. It is your voice where all the crowd will be centralized. Low volume voice causes loss of control on the crowd. People will not focus on your presentation. Personal quality to look for in a trainer. Self-confidence. Trainer should be self-confident while delivering presentation. Awareness of environment. Before training, do mini assessment. Who's your audience? What they want to know. It will help you to understand the environment. Ability to build bridges. Relate old to new. Trainer should have ability to build bridges between old and new concept. Ability to listen. Yes, this is true. A good trainer should have ability to listen. If you are not a good listener, how would you resolve their query? Desire to learn. Learning should never be stopped for a good trainer. Be a long life learner. Sense of humor. A trainer should have good sense of humor. Communication skill is most important when you are delivering presentation. Your voice, your accent, your vocabulary. Flexibility. Your body should not be rigid during training program. Your body has to express yourself. Body language also play a very important role. Your body should be flexible. Patience. Do not get hyper during training program. Situation may come when you lose patience. Use sense of humor skill. Handle the situation accordingly. Cool head and warm heart. It will build self-confidence, flexibility, patience in the trainer. Next is training method that should be used to make your training effective. Today, I will tell you a brain-friendly learning technique that can be used during training program. 6 keys way you can work with the brain to help making learning skills stick. Acronym learns. L means linking. Create linking with your lives and picture. E emotionally engage your audience. A means anchor. It is about creating relevant link between two things. R repetition. Repetition strengthen them and speed them. And novel. We pay attention what is new and ignore what is boring. S means stories. They feature all other letters. Flowchart for a training presentation. Step mentioned in this slide should be used by a trainer to make his or her training effective. Assessment. Do mini assessment of your audience before starting the training. This will help you to understand what they know and what they want to know. After assessment, your training program shall be started by telling them the objective of your training. Your objective should be SMART, where S refer to specific. Your objective should state desired result in detail. For example, operation and cleaning of DT apparatus. Here it is clear from objective that people will learn operation and cleaning procedure of DT apparatus. M. Measurable. Use verbs that describe what training will learn. A refers action. Your objective should describe an action the trainee will perform. R. Realistic. That is achievable. Do not use hypothetical objective that cannot be achieved. T refers to time frame, how long it will take the trainee to learn the skills. Your objective is clear. Now you can design your training material accordingly. Use bullet point, picture, graphic, do not use paragraph. After designing, deliver your presentation. Use simple language with simple words so that maximum people can understand. Be confident during presentation. Do assessment after presentation, that is evaluation. After training, why do I need assessment? Find the gap in SCA. SCA means skill, knowledge and attitude, and gap what they know minus what they need to know. Now, how can we do assessment? Need assessment tips. Interview key people, staff, use consistent question. Be careful not to bias input. Choose subgroup if unable to survey all. Choose the middle of the pack, not the best, not the worst. And do mini assessment, need assessment before each training. At the end of the training, evaluation shall be done. Did the participant learn what they had planned and implement what you learned? Improve their job performance or not? Now, I would like to share cone of experience. People generally remember 10% of what they read, 20% of what they hear, 30% of what they see, 50% of what they hear and see, 90% of what they say as they do or think. It's okay to have fun during training program. Humor, the quality of being amusing or comic. You can use games, training tool, icebreaker. Icebreaker are commonly presented as a game to warm up group by helping the members to get to know each other. They often focus on sharing personal information such as names and hobbies and etc. Music. Music does not just relieve the boredom, it can also help you in a better mood. Music is shown to have physical and psychological effects. Rehearsing and revising. There are two purposes of rehearsing: logical order and transition, and the second is timing. Revise. Learn from rehearsal. Make modification in chunks, logical order, transition statement, timing, opportunities for interaction. Managing fear. Here you will get tip. How can you manage your fear? Be prepared, know your presentation, do rehearsal before presentation. Calm yourself isometric. That means calm yourself without change in shape or size. Do deep breathing. Turn your nervousness into energy. You don't have to know everything. Drills like to share things what they know. In my opinion, it is always helpful to learn from others' mistakes. Thank you so much.